أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Pyrorhea is a disease of the Pyrorhea is a disease of gums. Southern Waterfall is located in which country? New Zealand. Southern Waterfall is located in New Zealand. Famous painting The Scream painted by Edward Munch. Famous painting The Scream painted by Edward Munch. Long Walk to Freedom is an autobiography of famous person Mandela. Long Walk to Freedom is a famous autobiography which is written by Nelson Mandela. The blue color of clear sky is due to dispersion of light. The blue color of clear sky is due to dispersion of light from the ocean. Nearest planet to the Sun is Nearest planet to the Sun is Mercury. Trans-Siberian Railway is a railway network of which country? Russia. Trans-Siberian Railway is a railway network which is located in Russia. Human cell contains chromosomes. The human cell contains 46 chromosomes. East London is the city of which country? South Africa. East London is the city of South Africa. Dong is the currency of Vietnam. Dong is the currency of Vietnam. The world's largest glacier is Lambert. The world's largest glacier is Lambert. 1 barrel oil is equal to 159 liter. 1 barrel oil is equal to 159 liter. Who discovered cement? Aspidon discovered the cement. Which country the Black Forest is located in? Germany. Black Forest is located in Germany. The Stone Age, a famous historical place, is located in England. The Stone Age is a famous historical place which is located in England. Formosa State separate from Taiwan. Formosa is the old name of Taiwan and Formosa State separates the China from Taiwan. Sheikh Hasina resigned as PM of Bangladesh. August 2024, Sheikh Hasina resigned as Prime Minister seat of Bangladesh due to heavy protest of Bangladesh peoples. Where is the headquarters of World Intellectual Property Organization located? Geneva. World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO is located in Geneva. The world's largest clock tower is located in Saudi Arabia, Mecca Sharif. The approximate intensity level of the sound which can cause damage to the eardrum is 100 decibel. Above than 100 decibel sound are more panic. for a human? Pathology is the study of examine the effects of disease. Pathology is the branch of study in which examine the causes and effects of disease. Which animal eyes are bigger than their brain? Or which animal eyes are bigger than their brain? Ostrich. Who was the first president of Pakistan? Was the first president of Pakistan. Skandar Mirza was the first president of Pakistan. An area of microbiology that is concerned with the occurrence of disease in human population is epidemiology. Epidemiology, an area of microbiology that is concerned with the occurrence of disease in human population. Thank you.